Hello and welcome to BidPulse. In this video, we'll be showing you how to connect your ShopGoodwill account, which will bid on your behalf. So the first thing I need to do is land on BidPulse. Here I am at bidpulse.app. I click the login button and I'm going to use my email address and password. So now I'm actually logged into the application. It tells me welcome back. And here I go to settings. So I have a whole bunch of different things here. The one that we care about for this one is ShopGoodwill integration. A couple of things here. Number one, I've already connected mine. So you're seeing that it is ready for automated billing. And what you're doing here is putting in your ShopGoodwill username and password. We actually take these values, salt and encrypt them and keep them secure on the server. And these are what the server agents use to go out and place bids on your behalf. If you want to delete these credentials in our databases, you can click this delete credentials button and completely remove them. Now, ShopGoodwill credentials have to be rotated and the system will show you when your credentials are expiring. And if this is not connected to ShopGoodwill, you will see this show up not in green but in yellow to warn you that you need to put in your username and password. And that process kind of looks like this. If I click update credentials, let's say, I don't know, I changed my password. It'll pick up my username and then I put in my new password and I click save credentials. That gives BidPulse your latest updated credentials. Now, one thing to note is that you cannot place bids unless these credentials are in place. Without these credentials, you can watch auctions, but you will not be able to snipe them.